Hi there, I'm John from CNCROI.com, and today we'll make custom stamps for the Trodac Professional 5200 and 5206. If you're wondering why you'd want a professional stamp made by CNCROI.com, the reason is simple. One, we have the best machine on the marketplace to make a custom stamp for you. That's the machine behind me right now. It's a Trotex Speedy 400 Flex. And the other reason is we have total custom design capabilities, which means that stamp that we make for you can be absolutely anything. So to emphasize that, the 5206, for example, I made a stamp of an aircraft. Let's get the focus working here. And that's just something we use for promotional purposes. While an older version here, 5200, is more of like a type of wedding motif or something like that. Now, because we make the stamps in-house, even if you have an old version of a stamp that's still working perfectly fine, we can still make the rubber stamp for it. All we need to do is figure out the size of the stamp. So generally, you just measure it with a ruler, and then you say, well, here are the measurements, and here's the design I want, and we'll custom make that just for you. Now let's take a look at both stamps being made. Now that you saw the rubber stamp in here being made here in the shop, what we'll do is test it out. So what happens after it's been made is that we actually clean the stamp and then actually affix it with double-sided tape underneath. So let's see how it comes out. There we go, and it's absolutely perfect. Now the 5206 has a stamp size of 57 millimeter by 32 millimeter, or 2 1/4 by 1 5/16. What we'll do now is take a look at the 5200. And here we have a Trotex 5200. Again, it's an older model, and that's fine. We still make the custom stamps for them as well. What I really like about these Trodac Professional stamps is how easy it is to put the ink pad or change them. So here I have an ink pad. In this case, it's purple. And all you do is slide it in, and it snaps into place, and that's it. You have a professional stamping system with now a purple ink stamp in it. Now let's make a stamp. There we go, and it's absolutely perfect. Now the nice thing is it's self-inking, so you can go over and over again, and you don't have to go back over and over again to another ink pad. So that's why self-inking stamps are wonderful, and having a steel frame is really nice because you don't end up with something that's broken if you have to ship it, or you have to use it a lot and you don't have things bending on you. Now the 5200 is also available in the Professional series. The update is just basically all black. Essentially it's the same thing. And the stamp size for this is 41 millimeter by 24 millimeter, or 1 5/8 by 1 inch. If you're wondering how you go about ordering a custom stamp from cncrri.com, the first step is to visit the website. From there you could either contact me directly, or you can go to the Buy Now link in the top of the website. From there you can click on Trodat stamps, and the whole professional series of Trodat supplies basically is there. Now everything is made custom to your spec, and that includes the ink pad. So if you want, let's say, a blue ink pad, you don't have to buy a black one and then we throw in a blue one. We give you a blue one directly because we do that all in-house here. So contact me and we'll get a custom professional stamp made just for you.